Yo, what's up, guys? You just slow down. The animal coming. Jim Bob, Didi, this guy, Didi's friend, and Ceiling Fan VR. He just disappeared. Alright, let's load up and head over to the new map.
Oh yeah. Who let that go, bro?
I'll be waiting out the thing. I'll be waiting out the thing to start now.
Everyone bring a flashlight, please, and gun. Gun? Flashlight? And? Wait, we need to make this dildo!
Guys, everyone wait at the dock. Never mind, just go there since everyone's there.
Okay, but guys, you gotta wait at the, like, entrance.
Yes, vent events.
Wait there, okay? Don't go into the vents yet. Water slide.
You guys need to wait for me.
This young kid, you're going already, bro.
Guys, wait for me.
Yo, I dropped my crowbar. Not crowbar. Did it despawn, actually? It despawned.
Darren. And,
Hey guys!
Ceiling fan, where are you?
see purple now.
Oh, Ceiling fan, where are you, bro?
No, don't go! Don't go!
Okay, come on.
I'm only getting this piece of poo!
Oh, put it in your bag.
Ceiling fan, we're going in.
Alright, guys, bag some of the stuff.
Hold on guys, got download for the video, I'll be right.
Guys, I'm a little scared. I don't have any weapons.
Darren will be fine. Darren is gonna shoot us.
Alright, guys, should we wait for Didi? Yo! Is this the mole rat monster?
Guys, come on, come on. Wait.
Oh, Ceiling fan, there you are.
Everyone, wait here.
No, Ceiling fan, wait.
Everyone, wait here before we go. Never
Alright,
mind.
let's go.
Don't worry, he's friendly! He's friendly! No, he's friendly!
Wait, did that drop a weapon? I need a weapon.
We're going the wrong way, guys! Follow me! Follow me!
Guys, it's left.
I know where we go.
Wait!
Guys, wait for Jimbo.
Guys, I'm going way too, so.
Oh, guys, we made it.
Guys, don't touch the red ones.
Guys, don't touch the red ones.
Listen, the next area is the farthest I've made.
Yeah. I haven't gotten past that area.
Yeah, because I was there. I was in there.
Yo, guys, wait up.
Guys, wait up!
I don't have a weapon.
I do.
Just run!
No, guys, hold on.
Oh, guys, wait. Oh, guys, we can chill here. No, wait.
Bro, you guys are so... I killed them all by myself.
Oh, this is tough, man. Alright,
Yeah,
guys.
this is the hardest part.
Guys, I know where to go. Guys, I know where to go.
Okay, then you...
Guys, this is the animal company show.
Yo, it's the hog thing, the mole rat thing.
This is what the animal company show is. I gotta ask for every update, guys.
Yo, guys! Help! I died. Since I died, I can just show you guys what they added to shop. So, they have these. They added these like underwater stuff. Log diver set, the ocean diver set, rolling diver set, and the lake diver set. Tell me what your favorite one is in the comments. And this is still here. It's leaving next week. I don't know what the next animal is. Here's the T-Rex that came out. It's like pirate stuff. You know, I think the next update might be the pirate.
What did you see?
And they added over here. These were already in the shop, but they added the plunger hat, the beach hat, and the traffic cone, and the cowboy hat over here. So yeah. And I don't think it's that great.
Goofy, be sure we made it. Where are you?
I'm here. And they added this, the big yacht, the OG grenade, 5,000 pumpkins, original gorilla hands. Yeah. This is still here. I think they just moved it. Yeah, that's
Where do you guys all go?
4 buckets. That's 5. I think this, they might add more. This one, it might be 20, it might be 10, might be 5. I don't think it'll be 5. Well, it might be. But yeah, that's it. What happened?
There was a big room, it was a circle, and there were screens everywhere, and they're just showing the community, and it was so creepy.
What happened to the others? Did you die?
I don't know, they just disappeared. I died.
What happened to you?
I think...
Guys, I'm going out the exit.
Oh, they made it through.
Where are you guys?
We're gonna get to them. I know where to go.
Okay, yeah, they have the new
Soldiers, but we're coming.
this might be office. You might still be working on it because you know, God knows that the map is very big. They added 2 new things. They added the teleport gun and the portable teleporter. So the portable teleporter, you get it from.
Guys, where did you guys
Go after the big
Yo, what is that?
TV.
You get it from the.
It's the new because you went without us.
No, I died.
Guys,
Alright, let's see how much moolah.
I was trying to put this in.
That's 7 grand.
Really? I
Hey, can you
can't.
guys,
Oh yeah, 7
It's
grand.
kind of hard to.
Yo,
Where are you?
Yo,
where did you go after the big
no, don't sell me. Don't sell me. Don't sell me.
There's a room called the exit, and then you go through the whole room.
Squirrel, what are you doing?
I couldn't find you guys. You guys just left and I died.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we got this for you guys. Look, I do this for you.
Wait, they got rid of that sewer thing.
Been abandoned at the Bend entrance. This is my second time being abandoned.
Well, yeah, guys, that's a new update. Subscribe, like, comment. Put the other people who are in the video.
They said they were coming for me, but they never came.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
I don't have one. I'm just here.
Yep. It's just a chill guy. Alright. Subscribe.
Hey guys, Quandale Dingle here. My mother, Darlene Dingle,